Hello everyone. So today I have Elias here again. He's going to be doing my makeup. I don't think he's seen me doing my makeup plenty of times before, but let's see how he actually does it.
I used to be an artist in high school, so I think I got this.
Why don't you come out better than the way I do it? Okay. If you do, you're gonna be a makeup artist. So
for her eyebrows, I'm about to use a Dipbrow dark brown Anastasia. I think I'm confident. We're gonna do this little theme.
I just got this today or actually ordered it on Amazon the other day, but.
You see, stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis.
Don't put too much product on.
Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. It looks like nothing like what you do.
To achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain.
Alright, we're just gonna forget about that one. Oh, this one's gonna suck because it's left-handed. And I'm not really good with my left hand.
No, why are you using your left hand? Weirdo.
Hey.
So, am I gonna have to do my makeup afterwards?
Duh. Modern, Renaissance, Anastasia. I chose that one because actually, yeah, we'll just take a hint of love letter. Just a hint.
A dash.
No, well, don't squint.
Well, because.
Good as fuck at this.
What did you do to my palette?
Wait, I'm not done.
Look.
Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the vermeer. Just a dash. This is to give it that natural glow. Hey, it's not bad. Alright, that's not bad. Oh, I'm gonna use this. Anastasia Glow Kit. Alright, and then I'm gonna take the marshmallow because I like his music. And then just put it on the and then I'm gonna do foundation. Alright, I'm gonna use the True Match Warm Sun Bleach Sun Beige. Sun Bleach. Alright. Just a dash. And then we're gonna gently just put it around everywhere, you know? You don't wipe, you just do like dabs. You know what I'm saying? Because if you wipe, then your butt will clean. But make sure you like do it good because you don't want to look like peanut butter. And then make sure you tilt your head up.
2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions.
You don't want to get your teeth, so don't smile. You can go ahead and do your lips. That way you get as close as you can to the line, because you're gonna wipe them off later anyways, and then you're gonna put lipstick. So it's okay. Wow, flawless. Then you go like this. I saw Kim Kardashian do this much. She's like an Apache warrior. Like this look.
I cannot see anything.
I know, it's
I have no idea what it is.
It makes your face, it makes you live forever. You know that you got a good contour if your face is skinnier, pretty much. It like slims everything, you know? So if you're like, when you put some right here, it's like, you know. So then we're gonna put the eyelashes. I recommend you get them threaded. Or wait, not threaded. Okay. So then it doesn't matter which one's left or right because it's the same eye. And then you go. Bam! Watch, open your eye. Damn, all that went. Let me see, open your eye. Wow! Amazing. Next is this brush. And you go like this. The only time I ever heard bronzer was on Jersey Shore. Oh, I see what it's doing. Wow.
Now you don't need that much.
What? And then you just lightly blend it, you know, make sure you don't miss anything. Our matte Whirl Matte A47.
So what do you guys think of my makeup so far?
I like it.
Does it match my skin?
If you're from far away, you look nice. You look nicer.
You gotta be drunk.
And then, wait. Well, this is a club look. I forgot to mention. So, you're gonna be there. People are gonna be sauced anyways. Oh, wait, I'm not done. And then, highlight. We're gonna use butterscotch. You know what I'm saying? And then you want to dap your nose a little bit. Alright, let's see. You pick up a bomb ass outfit, you put it on, you put your shoes on, you brush your teeth, you comb your hair, you put deodorant, you all that good stuff. You want to show your client what she looks like?
I'm freaking scared, guys.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what did you do to me?
What do you think?
I'm attractive, it looks good.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, hey, you put that on good.
Hopefully you guys like this makeup tutorial.
Yeah, okay, alright, well, thank you guys for checking out this video if you got all the way to the end, and we will see you next Sunday with another Sunday fun day.
Ciao.
Okay, bye.